Is Coinbase for real? Wow, please don't repeat that. The value of a Shiba Inu has dropped by 1/3 so far this month. There will be no more price crashes. The question is, do they give a damn about our opinions? Then I guess I should ask, what then is really happening in the background? Also, is there a way out of this mess? Now we'll see. Important notice, an extraordinary event with Shiba Inu occurred in March. A week later, its value had increased threefold. My goodness, this was unbelievable. With a cryptocurrency worth billions worth of dollars in particular, huge price spikes like this one don't happen very often. Increased optimism in the market was the primary factor that caused this jump. The price of a cryptocurrency tends to rise when its popularity causes a stampede of buyers. Influencer endorsements and social media buzz can also play a significant influence, leading to a domino effect as more and more individuals join the trend, driving up the price. Even further, many new investors were piqued by this price rise, which is hardly unexpected. Many individuals try to cash in on a cryptocurrency's rising value when they observe it going up in the hopes of making a fast buck. Nevertheless, a great deal has transpired since then. The Shiba Inu population has declined by over 30% in the last 30 days alone. Newcomers may feel unsettled by this level of unpredictability. They got in when prices were high, thinking they would stay high, so now they're frightened or frustrated that prices won't go down. Take the hypothetical case of someone who, in March, heard about the Shiba Inu's meteoric ascent and, betting on the trend continuing, decided to invest. They may be second-guessing themselves and unsure of what to do now that they've seen the price fall so dramatically. It's a harsh reminder of the dangers and uncertainty of investing in Bitcoin markets. This isn't exclusive to Shiba Inu, though. Every single cryptocurrency market has witnessed steep drops in value throughout the previous 30 days, just so you have some idea of how lengthy this period is. In the grand scheme of things, a month might not seem like much. It may seem like a lifetime, though. In the lightning-fast cryptocurrency market, it was usual to witness extended durations of price declines during the bear market a year or two ago. That was something that people had become used to. After the Bitcoin ETF was approved, though, and the market entered a bullish phase about 6 months ago, everything changed. In a bull market, prices can go up several times a day. Those who got in during the market's bull run have never seen such a prolonged bear market. They may feel very unsettled and confused if prices drop for a full month. Concern, bewilderment, or even remorse regarding their investments can wash over them. Many have begun to doubt their comprehension of cryptocurrency behavior as the expectation of continuous increases has been suddenly challenged. Then yesterday, everything started to go downhill. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Binance, which is larger than Coinbase, was reportedly intending to delist Shiba Inu, and the news quickly traveled around the internet. It was particularly shocking because this statement followed a precipitous decline in price over the previous month. This new information came as a double blow for a lot of people. To start with, they had seen the gradual depreciation of their investments. Adding to the already considerable amount of unpredictability and anxiety was the possibility of Shiba Inu being delisted from such a prominent exchange. That caused them to doubt their investment's longevity. This made them fearful of what was to come, particularly for newcomers to the Bitcoin market who have never seen such regulatory actions and volatility before. This type of news can severely damage investor confidence. In spite of this, there is some encouraging news regarding the current worries. Those stories were called sensationalized clickbait by Lucy, who was working as a spokesman. She went on to say that Binance has no plans to remove Shiba Inu from its platform entirely. Instead, just one trading pair will be removed by the exchange. Members of the Shiba Inu community are encouraged by Lucy, who heads up marketing activities, to check with reliable sources before drawing any conclusions. This method guarantees that individuals are provided with precise data so that they may make educated investing choices. She couldn't be more accurate. The Bitcoin market is extremely responsive to rumors and news, therefore it's smart to check information. False information can propagate rapidly and get investors all worked up for nothing. If you want to stay informed about the market and not react hastily to rumors, it's important to rely on reliable sources. But why has the cryptocurrency market been so flat for the previous month? When you look behind the scenes, what do you see? For how much longer? What is the most painful thing for Shiba Inu? Here we'll discover. There has been a deluge of news this past month involving governments like Germany and the United States, as well as older cryptocurrency exchanges, all announcing their plans to sell off large quantities of Bitcoin totaling billions of euros. The dissemination of this information has been critical in driving investors to liquidate their assets. Investors feel uneasy and even panicked when major institutions or governments declare intentions to sell significant amounts of cryptocurrencies. If there is an excess of supply on the market due to sales by these firms, prices could fall because demand can't keep up with supply. Many private investors sell before losses accrue because they are afraid prices will fall any further. So here's the deal with Shiba Inu. When compared to other digital currencies, its reaction time to Bitcoin news and developments is noticeably longer. Whenever there is good news in the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu has proven to be more successful than even the most popular coins, such as Bitcoin. Because of this vulnerability, prices might rise quickly. We witnessed this firsthand in March when the value of Shiba Inu increased threefold owing to favorable market circumstances. But this sensitivity is reciprocal. Shiba Inu can also feel the effects more acutely when cryptocurrency-related news is bad or unclear. Its dynamics, which drive it higher when sentiment is positive, can lead to steeper drops when sentiment is negative. This heightened awareness is a result of the market features of Shiba Inu. Because of the high-risk, high-reward possibilities it offers, speculative investors tend to favor it. Because of this, its value is less stable and more susceptible to short-term news events than that of other well-established cryptocurrencies that have widespread market support. Investors must comprehend this sensitivity. So while Shiba Inu might be a great investment, during bullish times, it's also more risky during bearish times or bad news cycles. Investors contemplating the purchase or sale of Shiba Inu or any cryptocurrency should be cognizant of and give serious consideration to these dynamics. The unfortunate news, though, continues piling up. An important discovery was made today. As it turns out, Coinbase received $241 million worth of Bitcoin from the US government. This news hits like a ton of bricks, as it likely does for a lot of other investors. A mix of familiarity and unease washes over me. Government regulation of cryptocurrency has the potential to cause market volatility, as we have seen previously. Concerns and inquiries on potential implications for regulatory supervision and future government policies arise in light of the substantial Bitcoin move to Coinbase. As word spread that the US government had transferred Bitcoin to Coinbase, the price of Bitcoin fell below $61,000. This being said, CryptoQuant CEO Ki Youngju is of the opinion that the transaction will not have a major effect on the market. He asserts that regardless of the quantity of spot ETF inflows, Coinbase Prime consistently manages large quantities of Bitcoin for sell-side liquidity. It is unclear, however, whether this comfort will stop people from freaking out and selling their assets, despite the fact that Jews have analyzed the situation. Investors are understandably rattled when word gets out about major government moves affecting cryptocurrency. For fear of regulatory fallout or market disruptions, many may act rashly. Many factors, including general opinion and personal risk tolerance, influence how the market responds to such news. Market dynamics can still be influenced by human reactions, even while specialists like you can shed light on market mechanics and liquidity. This is particularly true in the volatile and ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies. As a result, the near-term outlook for the cryptocurrency market remains cloudy. So what are your thoughts on the matter? Please leave a comment in the space provided. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. If you're interested in learning more, just click on one of the videos displayed. After that, the video comes to a close. Give the video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments if you found it entertaining. The YouTube algorithm is much improved because of this. Further, we ask that you forward this video to everyone you know. We need to spread the word about this.